2007 Toyota Sequoia V8 4.7 liter. It's pretty obvious. Doing valve cover gasket and spark plugs. I'm going to try to make this cut as dry as possible. Try to make it below 5 minutes, so I'm just going to point and advise what to take off. First off, we're going to get some room. We're going to do the right bank first. Remove the intake tube. Pull off this cover. Move the intake tube. These should be just 10mm bolts. I'll show you what it looks like. Next step, I'm going to move the ignition coils from the right bank. Take off the necessary bolts to extract the valve cover. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts. Remove those fasteners and extract the valve cover. To remove the tube seals, you'll take a flathead and see if I have one right here. You take a flathead, go between the tube seal and the valve cover gasket, just knock it down, and it'll collapse like that. Pry it forward, collapse it even more, get a little clearance and pull them out. Once you install the new ones, you'll want to take these little notches here, pry those up with a pair of pliers. Let's pry them up a little bit, get them up about 9 degrees, and then you'll be able to install the tube seals and just pry them tabs down and continue to install the valve cover and keep it moving. Have my glue installed in these corners here. I will say if those end cam caps are not leaking, just take your finger and graze the head or whatever with your finger, and if they're not leaking back there, don't pull them out, just leave them alone. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Put your glue on those corners, install the valve cover, install your spark plugs before you put the coils in there, and move on to the other side. On the driver bank, remove the breather here that goes to the valve cover. Personal preference, but I don't want to damage that going to the plenum. Remove the evap, the inlet hose. Remove the coils and get enough clearance to be able to clear this valve cover when you get all the bolts removed. It's going to be the same bolt pattern. You got one here, here. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 right there. Remove those and remove the valve cover. So same as the other side, just clean the area. It's necessary. To remove the spark plug tube seals, do the same process. Clean the valve cover if you decide to, personal preference. I'm going to, it's customer's car. The valve cover removed, you want to put your RTV seal in those corners down there, same as the other side. And on the cam caps, take your finger back there, and if they're leaking, pull the cam caps out and seal them up with the RTVs and reinstall them. I have the valve cover gasket installed, tube seals, and it's cleaned up. I'm going to reinstall everything in reverse order. Never said this in any other videos, but just like and subscribe if you like the content, and at least it'll probably motivate me to want to create more content. I don't want to create anything that's common, typical. I'll try to create stuff that a lot of people haven't done if I could find it, but hell, everything's on the internet now. But yeah, push like button, dislike button, hell, criticize it, whatever, anything I appreciate. Hell, I'm an open door here. Peace.